You're officially registered. Welcome to the VIP Attractions Partner Family. Now, let's talk about what happens next. You have just signed up for two powerful tools, your partner code and your affiliate link. First up, the partner code.
This is your all-access pass to manage bookings like a pro. Use it to book services on behalf of your clients, view detailed reports, and manage users within your account. Here's the bonus. When finalizing a booking, you can choose the agency card payment option, allowing your commission to be deducted in advance. Simple, seamless, and efficient. Next is your affiliate link. This is a unique URL you can place on your website, share on social media, or include in emails and messages to your clients. When clients use your affiliate link, they can book and pay for their services themselves while you still earn commission. No extra admin required.
Two tools, one partnership, multiple ways to earn. For more information, please reach out to our commercial team at sales.team@vipattractions.com.